The official unboxing of the package from Patty Carlson. Notice the damage to the container of the actual unit. Now let's pull it out. Oh, the top came right off. Here we see the unit itself. Go ahead and try to pull it out. Okay, we are missing a box of accessories. I do not see a box of accessories anywhere. Let's be thorough about this. Nothing in there. Nothing in the foam. And we got one busted container. And here's the unit. Notice the overall condition. Notice the box is now damaged. And the pedal is there. Okay. There's no telling if it works yet. Let's plug it in and see. Wow, hey, this is a working sewing machine. Ah, notice the consistent fluidity of the up and down motion. Looks great. Looks like a great working sewing machine when it was sent. Thank you. Have a great day.